Yeah, guys, anke ke bolele ka batho ba YouTuber. Ba bona di followers or the fans tsa batho ba YouTube. A le need hot copies. A le need to show le need like whatever guys you are smoking. Le ka say dilute le ka metsi la ba right. Anke ke thoma ka Malema. So Malema ke motho re mo tsebang gore a stick to one thing, a stick to one story. Today o bolela se ka osane was change. So, another problem with the fans or the followers of EFF. Every time when we talk, they will tell us education is important. But the same education, it doesn't apply to them because of they argue with insult. They don't argue with fact. Every time Malema abolela, he always attack ANC. He always talk about Ramaphosa. He always talk about everyone wa go ANC bolela ka ena le bozuma boletse ka bona. It was right go bolela ena. But when we talk about EFF, they say why we don't talk about our party that we voted for. So according to EFF supporters, now we are not supposed to talk about EFF because it's not in power. So since the EFF is not in power, why it's in chat dinkocha ona ka ra di affairs tsa ANC which is in power? Like every time EFF inya ka o bonagala ele party e good e dirang dilo tse di botse mo setšhabeng. Ke phela ke kwa ba bolela re no EFF ina le bana ba ba fitang for the charity 700 people gona le pilot tse di dirileng taking out its own money from its pocket. So le re botsa re direng because we've never asked you about those pilot. We never forced them to do those things. Remember, if you do something good for people, they will recognize you without even reminding them that I did this for you, I did that for you. Not so long ago, there was this time when ANC was giving people bread and say one love, one family. EFF was busy mocking those things, like mocking those videos, saying, hey, one bread, one family. After a few weeks, EFF done the same thing, was giving bread, one person. So what's the difference between ANC and EFF? We know. And when we talk about EFF, you are telling us we are decampaigning it. You don't want to face fact. You don't want to face reality. You are busy condoning this thing, the illegal foreigners. You are busy forcing the government to document the illegal foreigners. Why should we do that? Why should we do that? Because we don't need illegal foreigners in our country. And now why should we accept all problems from Africa to come to our South Africa? We have our own problems. Unemployment rate is very high. So why should we document other people so that they can be South Africans so the unemployment rate will go high? People from Ethiopia, people from Nigeria, how many countries they passed to come to South Africa? Why they did that? So according to Malema, other African countries, kidi brothers and sisters tsarena, but Botswana, Nigeria, the brothers and sisters because of if we were brothers and sisters, never try to their neighboring countries, but they don't go to their neighboring countries. Why they don't do that? Why ba sa diri jwalo? Rena ke rena santse re amogele di brothers and sisters. No, rena di brothers and sisters, and we don't need them. But as long we still have people like Malema, like South Africa is not going anywhere. That's why we are busy. And that's what about Malema. Every time if I remember there was this video abolela ka mosadi wa Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa na abuser mosadi wa gagwe or the late wife ya Ramaphosa. He said all of those things, and the Ramaphosa, to show that he's well educated, the same education he claim or education is important. Ramaphosa didn't insult Malema. He didn't insult Malema. He just said some other things as well because of basadi kam 50% of ANC members ke basadi. But not so long ago, there was this guy who spoke about Malema and the wife. Malema then umisha court. Ge Malema ummoja nnete, utlo wisha court. Uno phela sua batho yena ena anya go butswa nnete. That's why le batho ba EFF they don't even have a say ka ra mokgatlo. They only express their feelings via social media, but they can't tell Malema or hey, what you are doing is wrong. And they know very well what 90% of things that Malema is doing is wrong, but they don't have power. That's why my EFF members vanale anger. And they always try by all means to defend Malema. No lady link the WhatsApp. They are quiet. They don't say anything because of like Babonar now, he's in deep shit. Nebali busy about claim no. That's why Basa meets Matlanga because of his not link, not knowing they are busy or they are busy. Malema take you barigig the African Forum. So Malema yena he says he's saying yena gurglinye. There are these videos ana business and the other video over the same thing or in my house, my what. Guys, education is important if you have wisdom. Malemarana wisdom. Same applies to this guy. Shebeshit. Defense just Shebeshit tikitsona di dirile nor Shebeshit a felle tsa loko tronko. Because they were supporting Manyala Adirang. They were supporting this shit. Every time when we try to reprimand Shebeshit, they are telling us, oh no, we are provoking Shebeshit. How many times did Shebe committed crimes? What tlhabile batho ba guy? What shapile batho ba guy? You always say I'm a defender. But today, who face the charges more than 20? Let Mudimamo first second chance. Which second chance? Some other people I think Mudimu ucherishe beshita mego trongo soda amutibele o madima be adira gangamonto. So according to you, Mudimu rata shebeshiti to a point where Sansa hete batho ba bang so that yena be in a safe place. What about those people he stepped? What about those people he beaten? That's why ila rightly go tembisa ba moshapa ba mothubela kole because of ne ba sa tolerate nonsense. Shebeshito watelela. Shebeshita anya go khadiwa o tshwana le Malema. Wa bona Shebeshita and Malema same WhatsApp group. Abana botlhale. They are influenced by their followers. Rele bona ba dira lo tse di wrong le ya di condone le ya di support instead of learn no, this is wrong, this is right. That's why bona today EFF is going down. MK no tlanyana not so long ago but already is above EFF because of it. Abadiri manyala ba dira. How can you support foreigners instead of your own countries? People are crying. Those foreigners then the employers they won't take advantage of us. Yes, we don't need cheap labors because of we know our worth. Those illegal foreigners it's not like they are not lazy. They are stupid. That's why they take anything. You can just pay them bread, then they will accept. So Reina in our own country, we should accept those things. No. Even Malema won't accept that. And the funny part about EFF members is you are busy supporting this thing, my foreigners to be documented, not knowing what is going to affect you very badly. South Africa is going to have more population and higher employment rate because those people, even if they are documented, they're still gonna accept cheap labor and you will never get a job. And the funny part is now you are busy praising or EFF donate this and that for people talk about so what did you benefit from it? Nothing. You are telling us, oh no, we should talk about the party that we support. Yes, we support EFF, but we don't like what they are doing. That's why we talk about it. And we're still going to talk about it until you understand what EFF is the enemy of South Africa. So other than that, guys, EFF supporters and Shebe supporters, hot copies. You need hot copies. Because of really, I learned better.
Siyanibongelela babukeli. Hayi. Alishoni ningenazi indaba zalo. Njengoba nimuza ubhuti la kwivideo ukuthi hayikhona abalandeli be-EFF ama-supporter e-EFF hayi lonto ayibhemayo inzima noma ungafaka amanzi angeke izilunge. Bathi umuntu osalalela uMalema uyimenemene. Malema namhlanje ukhuluma lokhu, kusasa ukhuluma lokhu, uyashintsha. Mbukeli, hhayi ngicela uphawule ukuthi uthini ngombono kabhuti. Siphinde sihlangane iviki elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle. Bye bye.